Hello, Atypicals! My name is Binge Atypical, and welcome to my exploration, my playthrough of the Aether. Aether II, to be exact. New, updated, and improved with so much... Okay, Barry's not excited as I am. He just keeps leaving. I cannot get him to stay still for 5 seconds. Ari, you're very good. I think granted, I do have you on a lead, so that doesn't really count. I would take you two in, but it is dangerous. It's new. I don't know what could be in there. It could be monsters. Could be... I've seen the Aether 1. I'm a big explorer of the Aether 1, but Aether 2, it's dangerous. You never know. Well, we're starting off in the Aether this time. Barry has left me. And now I think it is time that we begin our journey into the unknown. Farewell. I will return with new knowledge, experiments, I'll get all the samples I need, all the new mobs that we can use, all the new creations. It's gonna be amazing. Alright. Let us adventure to the unknown. Oh! Oh! Whoa! 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 No! Oh! 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 What is it? That's quick. It's quicksand. I almost fell off the edge. Run away! It's quicksand. It's quick. Is it the sun? I didn't know the sun. I thought. Well, that's new. In Aether 1, sun does not set. It's always day. Then why does it... Whoa. Hello there. What in the heck did you just do to me? New bestiary entry. Whoa! No! Ah! No! Uh-oh. That's not good. Whoa, wait. Whoa! I'm alive! Like, I'm actually alive. Oh! Oh! I'm alive! I'm alive! It didn't kill me because I had some sort of slowness effect on me or something. Alright! Alright. I have confirmed. It's not safe. Okay, round 2. Back in. Alright. Let's get some tree. Aether dirt. The only tree is right there. Okay. I have an idea, but I hope I don't kill myself by doing this. Jump! Oh! Okay. Simple. Easy. Yay! Wood! Oh, this place is so pretty. Oh, it's so beautiful. Let's start off, as we usually do, getting wood. Now I'm glad this time I'm starting off completely in the Aether. So I think it's cool to see everything from start to finish. Sky root planks. I used to have a friend named Sky. It's been a while since I saw him. Coarse Aether dirt. Alright, so it's not too dangerous. I can see a lot of glowing creatures in the distance, and I don't want to get too close to them. Oh, what the heck? Check my guidebook. Guidebook. Oh, look at that. Jump. Oh, hello there, little guy. Oh, you are getting closer to me. I don't like that. Oh. I guess we'll check the guidebook then. Whoa, look at that. Don't look at those. Don't look at what's in my inventory. Don't worry about those. You saw nothing. Okay? You saw nothing. Back off. What are you? Ready for testing. Ready for testing. Flavor you have with dash your application. Basic dimension. Yeah. Okay. Well, I don't need to know all that. Whoa, the bestiary is so cool here. Blue sweat. Oh, he looks so different. Before in Aether 1, they just looked like regular slimes. Aggressive, parasitic creatures that roam in the Aether's shadows. Well, I'm glad I didn't give it a hug. What is this? Whoa! I love encyclopedias. I won't read it all, but I'll just take a glance at it. Sweat prefer dark environments, so are typically found during nighttime. For small fish-like creatures that live in an outer shell of acidic gel. They use this gel for transportation, protection, and hunting. Boats can capture small creatures and plants inside their sticky gel, which allows them to extract nutrients from their prey. Ew. Okay. They're even known to feed on larger animals, attaching to the skin of larger prey and sapping them of their nutrients before detaching and attempting to escape. Their gel layers dissolve in water, so if you find one attached to yourself, a quick dive to some nearby water will force the sweat to detach. They can excellent for fertilizer, while the sugars stored inside the body are often used as a sweetener. In many forms, you can combine a sweat gel and sugar together to make an almost palatable jelly. Well, since you are he's so eager, he wants me. He wants me so bad. Not today. I'm not gonna be food for no sweat. Easy. Didn't even break a sweat. Sweat. Ability grows in nature. Okay. Oh. Let's see if we can make some tools. This guy a crafting table. Nice. Okay. Skyroot stick. I like the stick. I like how the stick looks in the Aether 1 though. It looks a bit different here. Skyroot pickaxe. Increases as an ability. Skyroot axe. Oh. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Whoa, the whale looks so cool here. Oh, everything is improved. I love it. The heck is that? I can't zoom in, so I just have to see later when I get up there. And of course, the sword. Aha. Alright. You know, I only just recently played the Aether. It was everything that I thought it would be. Adventure in the sky. God, it's so fun. The music here is so good. I remember, it's just like how I remembered it way back then. When I was seeing Tobuscus play it. Gimme. Yeah. Yes. Looks like the out there has some pretty nasty things. Oh, good thing they're in the sky and I'm on the ground, where nothing bad can hurt me. Time to go more up. Further up. Or into this cave here. Hello? Ooh, new ore. Or if my knowledge is correct, that should be ambrosia. Ah! Ah, my feet. Okay. Enlightenment. Ambrosio! Yeah! Here are one of those nasty gelatins. Now with ambrosia, we can't make tools. What we can do is that this is basically, I think, the equivalent of coal. We'll get some of this. What is that? Hello, are you friendly? Are you gonna kill me? Whoa! It's a pig! It's a sky pig! Oh, they were so cute before. Now they look like, they look so 3D. They look so real. Look at you, sky pig. I'm gonna name you Barry too, since the old Barry hates me and doesn't want to hang out with me anymore. But I got a sword now. You guys can't. Oh, this is my favorite tracks. Oh, I love this track. Back, beasts. It was an Aether I. Okay. Got you. No slimes are gonna suck the nutrients out of my body. All my body little nutrients are staying right where they are. This sky birch whispered. Ah. Cool. Whispered. My builders will be able to have a lot of fun with these different types. Oh, listen to that sound. Oh, I love it. Oh. Going the normal progression of rock. What is this? Lillikheim! Or Lillichime, but I like Lillikheim. Oh! Bunny! 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 Oh, wait, I think I saw this once. There was some way that I could pick it up. Come here, you. Come here. Oh. I know there was some way that I can pick it up. Arrow Bunny eats brittle grass. Friendly creatures that roam the Aether's holy isles. They're deeply social creatures. Deeply social and friendly creatures that roam the Aether's holy isles. Enjoy the company of other species, including the people of the Aether and human visitors. There's people? I'm not alone? An airboy's cart has a condensed layer of arrow cloud nestled between their fur, which allows them to float gently through the air. Feeding an arrow bunny's favorite fruit allows it to be tamed. This allows it to be held, granting their natural glide abilities. Yes. I will give you your favorite fruit. What is your favorite fruit? Gel? You're not a bunny. You're not the bunny. Where'd my buddy go? Perhaps I could cut it with a trowel. This is, cockatrice. Aggressive predators that roam the Aether's caves and shadows. Well, that makes sense. The main adaptation is development of venomous darts that grow from their rib cages. Ew. At a distance, cockatrices can fire these darts to harm and slow down distant prey. I have no prey, sir. At close range, they switch to using their sharp claws and beaks to slash and crush their opponent. Ugh. Light is inherently weak to sunlight, though so at sunrise, cockroaches retreat into the shadows. Well, I know what I'm eating for dinner. What's your favorite food, bunny? Weird. Weird little thing. I feel like these are weeping angels. I feel like they're weeping angels. Like they have eyes on them. I wonder what happens if I... It is an entity. There's one thing I want to do before. What in the heck is that? That you were... Where'd the bird go? Where'd the bird go? Let's fight, come on! I'm taking something down. I'm fighting something tonight. No! Come here. Come here, you. Come here. Ah! What hit me? Oh, thank you. You saved me. Even though you're technically trying to kill me, I think. I'm not sure. But you are helping me. Oh god, there's too many of them. Oh, you killed the bunny. Okay. Let's not die. Let's not die. Come at me, fool. Come at me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Up. Oh, that's the edge. Ah! Oh! Oh, he did. Oh. Oh! No! This is the Aether, huh? Aether II. Similar, but with many new things. Things that look differently. Things that are interesting to explore. Gonna be a lot of new avenues to check out. New armor, new tools, new bosses, new enemies. It is gonna be something super, super awesome, and I can't wait.